Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert tab in Google Docs. So on default we have only one tab created in our document. If you will click on this one icon, you will see here a list of available tabs. So it is our tab number 1. If we want to create another tab, we need to click on this one icon to add a tab. So I click here, and after that we'll be able to edit document on this tab. So for example, I type here something like simple text in tab 2. If you want to try another method to insert a new tab, you need to go to insert and then you need to click on tab option. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Shift and F11. So I click here to add a new tab, and after that tab number 3 will be created here. So I type here tab number 3. Okay, so now you can easily switch between the tabs. So if you want to open tab number 2, you need to click on it, or if you want to open tab number 1, you need to click on it. If you would like to remove a tab, you need to click on the icon with the 3 dots on the right side of the tab name. So I click here, and then you will see here a lot of really useful functions. One of them is delete. We need to select it, and you will see this one information, this tab and the content within it will be deleted. If you are sure you want to do it, you need to click delete, and how you see tab number 3 has been successfully deleted. If you want to duplicate tab, you need to click on this one icon again, and you need to select here duplicate. Then it will be successfully created here. If you want to rename it, you need to click on these 3 dots, and you need to click here on rename. For example, I type here simple tab 3. Remember that if you will click on the icon with 3 dots, you can find here a really useful functions like choose emoji, copy link, show outline, or move up or move into. So you can try these functions and check how it works. So in this way I use tabs in Google Docs. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.